what is going on, guys? So check this out. I got two of these iPhone iWatches. These are the Series 4. I got both sizes. I got the 40 millimeter as well as the 44 millimeter. And I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and a little bit of comparison between both of these. But first, let me show you guys. You guys know when I record my videos, I'm like old school still. I'm always using like the front side of my smartphones. I'm starting to record with my Google Pixel 3 now because the front wide angle lens. So I'm on the wide angle lens now. Let me put it to 1x here. Let me just like double tap this. Okay, so that is actually 1x right there. And then if I want to do the wide angle, which goes down to like 0.6x, let me double tap this. Check that out. That is pretty awesome. I'm also going to record this video showing the iWatches on the back side of the Google Pixel 3 as well. So let me know what you guys think of the video quality from my previous other videos where I typically use my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Anyways, let's go ahead and bring you up closer so we can go ahead and unbox these bad boys. So take a look how long these boxes are. These like long rectangle boxes. I thought they would have been like little small like squares, but anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this one here is the 40 millimeter. This one over here is the 44. Now I got this one for my wife for her birthday, and then I figured I'd go ahead and get myself one too. It does have a cool walkie-talkie feature, which would be great for me instead of my wife screaming for me every time when I'm like upstairs and she's downstairs, or calling me nonstop. Now she can just go ahead and use the walkie-talkie and contact me right away. Now this 40 millimeter is silver aluminum case with the white sport band. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual watch first. Comes in a nice little pouch here. Let me just slide that bad boy out. And we can see what that looks like. Let me put that to the side right here. Let's go ahead and open up the band. Okay, so instructions how to snap the band on. And you can also see the left side here. One's medium to large, and this one's small to medium. I think my wife will probably have to use the small to medium. All right, so just pull that out just like that. Let me go ahead and set this one to the side right now. I'll put this over here, and let's go through the rest of the box here really quickly. So we get like a quick get started guide here. We have the wall adapter, the typical Apple wall adapter here. And we also have the charging cable here. Basically, it's a magnet. So let me go ahead and put this to the side, and that's it for this box here. Now let me go ahead and show you mine, which is the 44 millimeter. And this one here has this silver aluminum case with the seashell sport loop. This one looks pretty cool. Okay, so for some reason I thought it was like metal. I mean, it's not. The photos look like it was kind of like metal, but it's not. It's cloth here. And here we go. So this is the bigger size. This is the 44 versus the 40 millimeter. Now the thing is, they increased the size here compared to their previous iPhone watches. So again, 44, 40. You can see the size difference here. Also, the bezel on these Series 4 watches are a lot smaller than the previous series. So the screen size is even that much bigger. So on the left-hand side here, we can see the nice size speakers here. You have the mic over here on the right-hand side. And also, I did get the GPS plus cellular with these. Let me go ahead and boot these up too. I'll go ahead and boot those up, and let me go ahead and put the bands on these as well. So in order to put these bands on, I just slide it in the groove here until I hear a click. Okay, I just heard a click. All right, I got this one on. Okay, it's on correctly now. Now I have the Velcro over here, and then I can basically put it in place like that. Let me go ahead and set this one up. The first thing that I had to do was download the Apple Watch app on my iPhone here in order for it to pair. Okay, so that took a good 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, that is super cool. It even loaded all of my photos. Well, pretty cool. Take a look at this. Ooh, let me turn that one on. Nice, huh? Well, another cool thing is now I don't have to actually have my phone on me every time I go to the gym. I can simply go ahead and use my new iWatch to hook up to my Bluetooth headphones and still jam. Well, that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.